Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can upload files to the Canva and you can edit your files, then you can export your files from the Canva. So first of all, here you can go on the Google, just you can type canva.com. So this is official website for the Canva. And now here you can see website is open and we got a lot of options here. So how you can upload any file from your laptop, just here you can see on the last upload add media, click here. Next step is you need to select the files from your laptop. Then after that, let me select the file. So let me go in the drive, and after that I can select file from the temp folder. So this one is the file, and after that click here use in add design. So guys, here you can see now you can add any type of text and anything. So on the left side here you can see text options. For example, if you want to add some text, simply click here, and then after that here you can replace the text. For example, latest bed design. And after that you can drag the text anywhere. For example, I want to drag here, and then you can change the color for your text. For example, this one, scroll down and you can see here color designs. And then after that the final step is here you can see share button, just click here, then scroll down, and here you can also access any other person with a link. You can also download it into your laptop. Scroll down and here you can see different formats, just you can select any of these. So I will recommend you JPG format. Then you can select the dimensions, width and height of the image, just you can increase and decrease. Then scroll down, click here download button. So guys, here you can see downloading is in process. So after a few seconds you will get a professional image on your laptop. Here you can see file is downloading. So guys, this is the basic way to edit your files in Canva.